Hello my lovely friends, it's Shahy again and welcome to Shahy's English. Welcome to Shahy's Easy English. Today is another pronunciation video. And today we will look at the th sound. The common mispronunciation of the th sound is using it like a s sound. So instead of thought, they might say thought. Instead of think, they might say think. And three as three, and through as through. And when we mispronounce words, it can create a misunderstanding. Okay, and we don't want that, do we? So today we are looking at the th sound. Okay, so the th sound and the sound are kind of similar, but not the same. Okay? How are they similar? We use the tongue, okay? The tongue has to be in the correct place to create the sound. The difference between the th sound and the sound is that the sound is from the throat, which we looked at in the previous video, and the th sound is just using the teeth, your breath, and your tongue. Okay, so let's do the exercise. Number one, I just want you to take a deep breath. Okay, so and number two, I want you to place your tongue like this here. It needs to be curved slightly. Okay. And then you need to put it up here, next to your teeth. And then breathe out, okay? Th, th, th. It doesn't have to be a big sound because that's not what we're looking for. It will sound weird if we say th, th, th. No, it just needs to be a slight sound, which is why we just use our breath. Let's do it again one more time. Breathe in. Three. I'm going to show you in the side view, okay? So let's do the exercise again. Breathe in and put your tongue. Okay, I think you got it. If you got the sound already, you will get the th sound really easily. All you have to do is make sure your tongue is in the correct position. The other way is if you whisper. It doesn't have to be like this. It can just be like this. When we talk normally, we don't say three or thought. We just say three. Thought. Thanks. So let's say the words again. This time, I think you can do it. Three. Can you do it? Yes? I thought so. Okay. Think it through. When you're pronouncing, like I always say, when you're pronouncing, you can exaggerate it. Okay, you can make it bigger than it really is. Think, through, thought. When we start to speak normally, we have to do a gentle sound and a movement. Three, thought. Okay? I may look silly, but if it's helping you, then I'm glad. We've come to the end of the pronunciation video. Thank you for your support. It's been wonderful knowing you and connecting with you. And do leave a comment and say hello if not anything else. And if you need help with any other sounds, then pop it below in the comment section. And I look forward to seeing your comments. Take care, have a wonderful day, and keep practicing. See you soon, and bye for now.